Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I just stopped in this morning. I wanted to give you all an update of what is going on over here. We have a lot of rain, a lot of wind. Yeah. And it's about 11 o'clock in the Sunday morning, and Ida is just now coming ashore. So I wanted to just give you a little peek out there. I couldn't get in the garden because in order to get in my garden, I have to walk out of my garage door and walk around the house. That's where the garden is. But I ain't going out there. So I did record the plantain trees from my back door. This is what I saw. So, all right, family, I'm in my back door to my garage, and look at my sugar cane and a fig tree down over there. That tree is swinging. That's a pear tree. She's in the ground, but that's a fig tree laying down right there. Yeah, that's a brown turkey fig tree. This is not her first time falling from this storm, but the sugar cane it's coming down too. Where they go. And there are the plantains. We'll see what happens to them. And this is only the beginning. Now, in order for me to see my garden, I would have to go around my house to get to my backyard and my garden. And I'm not doing it. No, I'm not going to do that. And there go some plantains right here. This is my plantains. See them? Wait, I guess you can't see them. They hang right there. There they are. I'm not going to go around and look at the garden right now. I can't get in my bedroom window and see it, but my son got it all blocked up, so yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm doing okay. My power is still on. A lot of power is off, from what I understand, just by looking at the news. But I still have power so far. This morning, I got up and I baked some biscuits. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, I baked some biscuits this morning. And I baked enough for the last me a little while. Just in case, y'all. Just in case. So my electricity is still on. I understand a lot of people in my area, their electricity is going off. But mine is still on so far. So good. These biscuits are so good. But because I don't use buttermilk a lot, I'm sorry. I purchased this. It's powder. I think it's better for me because the buttermilk, I don't use it that very often. It would just spoil in the refrigerator. But this works perfect. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update on what was going on with me. I'm doing good. Wait a minute. So I'm doing good. I'm just keeping my eye on the weather. I'm just chilling. But anyway, guys, if things change, if anything changes, I will definitely holla at y'all. All right. They were good. I ate about 4. They were real good this morning. Yeah. So, just giving you an update of, what's going on. It's just a whole lot of rain and wind so far. Things is being knocked around, and I'm in for a long day. But that's okay. I understand. So we all love nature. this is a part of it too. Hurricanes. It's an act of God. It's a part of nature. I love nature. It is. All right, babies. I hope you all have a beautiful Sunday. I just wanted to give you an update. But I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. So, anytime I can come back in, just to let y'all know I'm okay. You can see me. I'm good. The family is fine. Jody and her family is good also. Yeah. And, yeah. My son is here with me. So I'm really good. Yeah, I'm real good. Yeah. All right, guys. Oh, Jody and I did some singing. Y'all want to hear it? Here it is. All right, guys. So Jody and I are sitting outside my house and we're singing. So I decided to bring y'all in. If this little boy stopped riding his four-wheeler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all ready?
All right.
So how the first part of it goes?
Elijah Rock. Shout, shout.
Yay!
Elijah Rock coming up, Lord.
Lord!
Elijah Rock.
Y'all want to see Jody?
Shout, shout.
Wait a minute, Jody. Hold on. Wait a minute, Jody. Wait a minute. Yeah. All right, Jody.
Elijah Rock.
What?
Shout, shout.
Oh.
Elijah Rock coming up, Lord.
Lord.
Elijah Rock.
How?
Shout, shout. Elijah Rock coming up, Lord.
Yeah. I can't call my rock in the morning.
Yeah.
I call him late at night. He's always with me. And all my battles he fight.
Hey.
When I'm in trouble, I can't call God on the line.
Hey.
He put a telephone in my heart, and I can call God anytime. Hallelujah.
Hey.
Elijah Rock. Shout, shout. Oh, Elijah Rock coming up. Lord, Elijah Rock.
Shout,
Shout, shout. Elijah Rock coming up, Lord.
Hey, won't he do it?
Yes, yes.
Hey, let me shout. Hold up.
All right, go ahead.
That was good.
Later, y'all.